Hi everyone, today's video is ULTA Tan to Deep Warm, and it is a matte finishing powder. I am going to use this finishing powder. I'm going to use this finishing powder as my base today. I have the e.l.f. Putty Primer on my face. It always leaves a white cast, but because I'm putting the powder, it doesn't really matter. I'm going for a full coverage, so I'm going to go with the sponge. This is a finishing powder. If you don't like powder foundation, you can use a finishing powder on your face just as is, and it works very well. It blends well. It's very soft and light, and the shade matches me very well. My forehead is wet, so powder gets stuck to where it is. So if you're going for a light look and you don't want to use a powder foundation, you can use a finishing powder as your base. With the sponge, I went a little heavier, and now I am just taking my Real Techniques powder brush and taking off the excess. ULTA finishing powder as my base. This is what it looks like. Very light. I'm getting closer. Very light coverage. If you just want to step out the house and just go, you can put a very light coverage of finishing powder and you're set. And this powder does come with a mirror, so if you take it on the go, you'll have it. And this is where the sponge stays. It comes with a round sponge. The sponge stays right here, and it has little holes, as you can see, so the sponge can breathe. So if you're out and you use it, it will be able to breathe until you get home and take it out to clean it. But this is what this powder is. Pressed finishing powder by ULTA, and I use it as my base today. I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you did something to make you happy today. Keep rising, never give up. See you in the next video. Subscribe. Bye. Beautiful finishing powder.